Stop acting like Paris Hilton.
Bye. Change your mouth.
Oh my god, paparazzi! No, I mean, Paris. Tinkerbell died.
I'll get a new one.
There is no more chihuahuas left in the world. They're all dead.
Screw them.
What are you doing?
Getting diamonds.
What are you thinking about right now?
Nothing.
The blonde wig is going to your head, Amanda.
I'm not Amanda.
You're not Paris Hilton.
I transformed into a beautiful blonde.
A beautiful blonde?
Yes, stupid.
Let me see your face with the blonde. You're so pretty.
I am. Go get me some more Kool-Aid.